my Ghana yanko eni enze nra na efiashoa issue ya oni chema wontumi any UTV na Kwame Plus a panelist Mr. Logic a panelist and Mama Brown na assembly court na court nra na court emuchi se ni nyina ni chese Father Dixon any UTV there omu eyi omu free asem na Mama Brown o host and Kwame Plus and Mr. Logic na fiashwa no crade na man arrest warrant and na obesan kodem 10 days ne ade Kwame Plus ebitua 65,000 and fiashwa and so ebitua na Kwame Plus ni Jimmy die da bia wo kan say Jimmy fu wi asema na ibinum wo mfro se wotan me time after all no Kwame Plus na den wo wa me kotan opportunities are when ya Ghana so you be onim nyansa nye Jimmy ne na ka by na nganya ne so gusu ye budleke no so ati ase nko no a wode ne ho ko on sorry entitatare nkrofo entri ne ho nya dwuma nya yi ansa na wadidi nko no a obi papa bi anko we onim nyansa sorry issue yi bai asema court edi asem na wi ya fine say woni court nya adwen a obetimi akoya appeal because ya fine anya big deal obetimi akoya appeal e wo court say if you disagree with the court judgment you can do appeal obetimi a kire wadwe ba sabi issue bia no na sabi ni Jimmy no okotwe Nanado abom but Kwame Plus o life adia Nanado President Nanado ayama say o papa yi bi mawa kenya wa brabo ni aka say we good looking ene say o politician we ho yes over the social media because the Biamika say some of the youth in Ghana they are not serious. They don't even know what is important for their own life. And you know, say we beat the Kwame Plus the transfers on or come Jimmy. We be all come out and be encourage you. And I'll be a BB a chere wa brabo say he's directing you to follow the right path so that you be able to. Oh no sorry oni mpenifu ya na nama omuhwibum ene ade when your opportunity kwa siasa an opportunity MPP abanya also me useless abibia na okotwe MPP because he is bitter ni Jimmy na mani lusu contract wo Boston any opportunity awunya e obu petrol free ne ne manema yenom de ya ma MPP kura no obi anu awama ye ibi kapre kura to kru dem but yen kura ne yen kasa eno asemi kokko to wi mo hwe nkwase asemi okotro nei men kan kakranche yo tro ya ene eyi from bloggers na kofa or say as they take the money then the white from my eyes inside 110 yellow chai immediately then I want to write something for Facebook we nanama see here another 65 bidato jai. So if they catch the people where they kill Jesus self, like they go pay 65,000, this judge, my friend, money before you talk. If it be you, like by now, your family members, they plan how to sell the cocoa farm to come promote you. And Mahama, Hobson paid 3,000 for contempt. Say John paid 10,000. Samuel Oku paid 5,000. And Akufo-Addo and his useless government. Ahana Eyasem no. There's no inflation. That we were convicted to fine of 65,000 because 3,000 can only be dragon's spray and Viagra. What has this got to do with Akufo-Addo? Court fines. What has that got to do with Akufo-Addo? Akufo-Addo mere finding one. My right to freedom of expression is inalienable. If you can't stand me, just die. Such a ridiculous and shameful judgment. Sika Ashi, Sika no Ashi, Brunya. Oh, all this stupidity. Say your right to freedom. No one asks you right to freedom. Say guess you right to freedom. You can't even come on Facebook and write this rubbish. Kwame Eplasa, let me tell you. Just say, what take it upon yourself? Kwasiampeni Jimmy for ungrateful being, Abuaba. So if all the young guys were MPP, one more abre, ebinum kraye pre-praum. Enya, the little that you got, MPP gave you now, and they are somebody now. I know some guy in Aboso Kainana, Nyame Adom, Nini Abusa for Abomodin, and Yama call Basaman, Wabalandin, see. This guy went to Volta region, sleep in cars, 2016. Nina no. Say, or percent MPP back power, because of the MPP policies, and yes, or percent MPP money, baby. MPP buy, upon the year, you go prano, or go down hospital, Nana, or Aboso Kain, Ujani store. Uja obi store any no time there. Or buy any mum be dema because you try alternate you be a crank or any that. Me am here in sometimes me be anam the command. Say nyashi. Abrabody sometimes go through all this. Even him, Krano, he's still loyal to MPP. Kwasiampeni to say, yenum beat now people threaten our life. Any idea me call Ghana, me can call him papa ye. Me name yere, if you upon Crawford DH, in some way in Canada. So I say, Crawford DH, and so no, nothing, meaning he actually free MPP. The emergency a better policy, papa, ever quenim. Emra ya Juma or Ghana, who join Jimmy for what social media, then you tarnish people's image. Blackmailing people, and no now did. I said, when another will seem say, court na motiho, and if you are so I can't say, and I call court. Wouldn't say, ye see will be for defamation. And untina will be called radio so obati radio no any panelist no or some disassociate ourselves from asema ni pay kan asema wo kan ye wo a munyina mutena wonim say yemra what I say wo nam wo Jimmy force am no nam na udi bone a me accomplish ye de me kan enti court mra wonti ase a go to court any Jimmy is an there will be Nanado the number. Nanado on an edge. Esan say Usumaya Uomua say you are tarnishing people's image in tea. Always, you know. Ayode. Nanado on an edge was another the judge at the court. And then the useless MPP government who Yamine Betuaka was a boy who be prepa was a Kwame Eplasa. Kwasiampeni useless MPP government and Yama MPP Komoka be. If it's a boy like you, Jimmy Force our more brano. Omo buy and become contract I can see them out. Omo MPP de Bianca, they forget their grassroots. A man for a prayer or party nim, young boys are a duomocrat too. Party ni buy no, ye near free so. A dear man, we are a party victory. Omo no room.